Good morning. It's about 7:30 this morning. We're headed off to our first mobile job today. I know a lot of other trades start earlier, but unfortunately for us, people getting their cars fixed just don't like getting up early. So it is what it is, but we're headed out. The job today, or this morning, is a customer's vehicle is not charging their new caravan batteries. And their fridge is also not working when they're traveling. So we'll take you guys along. Hopefully we can diagnose this, what should be a pretty simple issue. And yeah, stay tuned, we can go check it out. Righto, we're here at the caravan. Got the Anderson plug in. Let's go inside and check it out. So, very nice caravan. The electrical system's all in under here. So there's all fusing in here, which is clearly labelled, which is excellent for me. Anderson plug fridge, solar and battery. So must-haves when testing. Good test light. This one here is actually a snap-on one. I had to take out a small mortgage on it. This does the voltage as well. You can do reverse polarity, everything with it. 24 volt. So yeah, we'll get stuck into here and see what's happening. Caravan job this morning's all done. It was a pretty easy fix, to be honest. So easy I couldn't even really show you guys too much. It was just a connection issue where the fridge joins into the main power circuit. So just fixed all that up and away she went. So pretty good start to the morning. It's only about 9 o'clock now, so now we're headed back into the shed. We've got a few jobs lined up in there for the rest of the day, so hopefully we'll get another diagnostic issue where we can actually show you guys a bit of troubleshooting and whatnot and what's involved in it. So with the caravans and that, we have done a lot of troubleshooting in the past, so we pretty much know exactly where to look straight away, so time frames are quite small. But yeah, that's the benefit of doing it all the time. So stay tuned, we'll see what else we've got in store for you today. Righto guys, we're back in the shed. Bit of rainy weather here today. It's not stopping us. We've got a Jayco Eagle here. I'll run through that in a minute. We've got this sandblasting mobile trailer here we've done a quick repair on. This thermo fan here. Singing along now. So that's all done. Now this Jayco Eagle, they've decided to upgrade to lithium. They purchased the battery and that themselves, and then needed a bit of guidance from there, so we've come in and helped them out. We're doing the EnerDrive DC-DC charger, the Victron 30 amp AC charger paired with a smart shunt battery monitor. So we're going to get stuck into this one shortly. That's it.